Good morning, my friends. The judgment which I am going to share with you will definitely help you to understand the entire Muslim law, the system of Muslim law, and the importance of personal law, and the roots and causes for personal law. The judgment has discussed many number of foreign courts, foreign discussion about this personal law. But the concept regulated in this judgment in AR 2025 Supreme Court 373, AR 2025 Supreme Court 373, Mansoor Sahib dead and others versus Salima by legal heirs and others. The case is very simple. The ratio was number one, that if a owner of the property arrives, then no question of partition. Muslim law did not permit for partition. Then question arises gift. For valid gift, there should be intent to gift, and therefore without valid requirement for gift may not be valid. Then question arises, since you have mutated the records, that did not confer title on you. This is the ratio of AR 2025 Supreme Court 373, Mansoor Sahib and others versus Salima. But question arises, the facts were discussed at paragraph 3 about the history, because the owner left out multi number of legal heirs. But if you want, you have to go through the paragraph 12, wherein they have discussed personal law in conflict of laws book. Then they have discussed about so many comparison about the Mitaksara law of Hindu as well as Dayabhaga of Hindu. Little bit they said that Muslim law is somewhat little bit similar to Dayabhaga, but not completely. That was they said. Then they have discussed about Janma Vatsavada, right by birth, then Aprati Bandh, Saprati Bandh. These things have been, they have also discussed. Then they have categorically held that like Hindu law, the Muslim law do not have restricted life estate. So they will have automatically entitled for equal inheritance of property. Then advanced law lexicon was discussed. Then they say Mullah Principle of Muhammad Law, 22nd edition. Then so many things where Ghulam Ronald Wilson is Anglo-Mohammedan law was also discussed. So if you want to know about the entirety of Muslim law, kindly go through the judgment para as para. They said the Islamic has four sources: Quran, Hadith, Ijma and Qiyas. So they have also discussed about the command of Allah, who discussed about how the property will be devolved on you. And totally they have at paragraph 18, if you go through multi number of times, you can very well understand the devolvement of the property on demise of the owner. So this is what so many things they have discussed about the Supreme Court earlier judgments. I hope you understand the Coleridge Justice judgment, where they have stated that instrument, what was the intention of the instrument. So therefore you have to go through the judgment if you are interested, if you want to write article on Muhammadan law of inheritance. Best wishes.